Hello, in front of me I have got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you Mills read concept for deep pass concepts. In the beginning, let's go to deep pass concepts in Skills Trainer and go to Mills read concept.
Here we go.
The Mills concept creates a 2-on-1 matchup against a defensive key, forcing him to choose which receiver to cover. It is very effective against a cover 4 defense. Notice the defender key on the play. He is usually the free or strong safety. If the defensive key covers the underneath dig route, throw to the primary receiver running the post.
On one, ready? Here we go. Here we go. Get set.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.